Internet Protocol IP. There are two versions of IP, IP version 4 and IP version 6. In this slide, we are going to study IP version 4 header format. Version field. Version field specifies the version of the IP datagram. We know there are two versions of IP are in use, IP version 4 and IP version 6. This is a 4 bits long field. Looking at the version number, router decide how to interpret the datagram. Header length field. Actually, options field of the IP datagram is not fixed. Its size can vary. Therefore, header length field is there to specify the size of the IP header. Type of service field. Type of service field specifies type of the datagram. For example, if it is a real-time datagram or a non-real-time datagram. Real-time datagrams are used in IP telephony, while non-real-time datagrams are used in FTP protocol, for example. Datagram length field. This field specifies the total length of IP datagram in bytes. Total length include header and data. As this field is 16 bits long, the theoretical maximum size of the IP datagram is 65,535 bytes. Next is identifier, flag and fragmentation offset bits. These fields are used in fragmentation of datagram that we are going to study in our next video lecture. Then comes time to live field. Time to live field ensures datagram do not circulate in the network forever. This field is decremented by 1 each time when the datagram is processed by a router. When it reaches 0, router drop the datagram. Protocol field. This field is typically used only when an IP datagram reaches its final destination. Value of this field specifies which transport layer segment is in the data portion of the datagram. For example, if this field carries value 6, it means transport layer segment composed of TCP protocol. While if its value is 17, it means transport layer segment is composed of UDP protocol. Header checksum field. This field aids a router to detect bit error in received IP datagram. Source and destination IP addresses. Device which create a datagram specify its IP address in source address field and insert the address of ultimate destination into the destination address field. Options. Option field is a variable length field. In general, this field is not used. Data. In most circumstances, the data field contains the transport layer segment.